Persicaria has a strong peppery taste and is commonly used as a hot tasting spice, food flavor, and garnish for a variety of traditional dishes. In this video, I will cover top 20 medicinal uses for Persicaria. There are many Persicaria species, but all are similar in compounds, although they may vary in compound potency. The roots contain the largest concentration of these compounds. Please remember to like, subscribe, and press that notification button so you don't miss any of our new videos. Welcome to Backyard Garden with Alex Panosov. The Persicaria species are commonly known as marsh pepper smartweed, marsh pepper knotweed, or water pepper. It grows worldwide in generally wet areas such as watersides and in marshes. All parts of this plant can be consumed. It contains mainly flavonoids, sesquiterpenoids, and phenylpropanoids. This plant has a wide range of traditional uses for medicinal purposes. Yan shoots. The Japanese people used yan shoots as a spice and a garnish with raw fish, such as sashimi, for its pungent taste. Leaves and their extract. Water or ethanol leaf extract served as a food additive to preserve pickles, dressing, and cooked foods. In Southeast Asia, the Chinese and Malays used the leaves in the traditional Lasca dishes, diuretic and emmenagogue. Persicaria has been used as a diuretic and emmenagogue. Emmenagogue are herbs which stimulate blood flow in the pelvic area and uterus. Women use emmenagogue to stimulate menstrual flow when menstruation is absent for reasons other than pregnancy, such as hormonal disorders. Regulates menstrual irregularities. All parts of Persicaria regulate menstrual irregularities. Diarrhea, dyspepsia, and itchy skin. A decoction of the whole plant, either alone or mixed with other medicinal herbs, is used to treat these. Menstrual bleeding and hemorrhoids. A decoction of the whole plant, either alone or mixed with other medicinal plants, aids with excessive menstrual bleeding and hemorrhoids. Juice from its roots or a combination of the whole plant is applied directly to the hemorrhoids. Fights against cancer. The leaves and seeds are used in folk medicine to fight against cancerous cells and help to correct the damaged cells in our body. Gastric, pulmonary problems, and uterine hemorrhages. The Romanian people utilized the infusion of the aerial part of this plant as astringent and cicatrizing, as well as for gastric, pulmonary problems, and urine hemorrhages. Aerial parts meaning all parts above the soil. So this excludes the use of the roots for this purpose. Pregnancy control. In India, the Mishin women in Assam take the dried root powder of Persicaria for termination of pregnancy and may lead to permanent sterility if taken continuously for more than 1 year. Uterine disorders. Leaves juice is consumed for urine disorders. The leaves have a very mild bitter taste and are a little bit minty in flavor. Mix its juice with sweeter vegetable or fruits. Apple is a good choice, as it can be digested by our body when consumed with other vegetables. This is according to the naturopathics. Fish poisons. In Arunachal Pradesh, the whole plant extract and the ground paste of the plant are used as fish poison. When added to the water, the fish will float up to the surface of the water, making them easy to scoop out and safe for human consumption. Relieves colic pain. Leaf infusion is used to relieve colic pain. Natural dyes. The plant has also been utilized for its natural dyes. The process for this is crushing the desired parts of the plant, boiling in the water usually for about an hour to ensure all the dyes have leached into the water, and simmering the water down to concentrate the dye. Relieves headaches. headaches. Another tribe of Tripura uses the mixture of crushed leaf with black pepper for treating headaches. Stops hemorrhages. The crushed plant helps to arrest hemorrhages. The crushed roots have a much stronger effect. Relieves stomach pain. The crushed leaves are used to relieve stomach pain. Recommended to dry the leaves first and steep them to make a tea. Drink 1 to 3 cups of tea daily or as needed. Relieve menstrual pain. In Bangladesh, the Garo tribe uses the leaf juice to relieve menstrual pain. Stop external bleeding. Make a paste from the leaves and apply directly to the open wound to stop the bleeding. Pesticide repellent. The whole plant is used as a pesticide repellent for stored grains or grow in your garden to help fight against pests. Snake bite treatment. In Vietnam, the stems and leaves are taken for snake bite as a diuretic and anthelmintic. Painful carbuncles. The root juice is applied directly onto the wound or painful carbuncles, which are painful clusters of boils on the skin. Skin diseases. Root juice is applied directly to treat mild skin diseases and even external wounds. Additionally, leaf juice has been used for treating many health problems like pain, toothache, liver enlargement, gastric ulcer, dysentery, loss of appetite, and dysmenorrhea. A word of advice. This plant is toxic for pigs and sheep. Always consult your naturopathic before the use of any wild plants.